una.
No guidance. It just falls straight out of the air like a rock. Those
Masakit yan kasi nasa buto na siya.
You can say one word that'll make me mad. I'll do whatever you want for the rest of the weekend.
Kumbaga, ano na yan, pag kumikirot yan, nasa buto na, masakit.
I'll do whatever you want for the weekend.
Okay.
Okay. Go.
Okay.
Okay. One word. Go.
Okay.
Okay.
Mga ilang,
Go. One word.
2 taon na, di ba yan?
For the whole weekend. One word. Go.
2 taon na siya dyan sa ano?
Okay.
Hindi lang 2 taon.
Okay. I don't think you understand the rules. I'll do whatever you want for the rest of the weekend if you just say one word that'll make me mad.
Okay.
Stop agreeing with me. Can you just say the word now, please? The word. One word.
Si Raulo. Ano yan? Boss TV, di. Nga ka ngayon.
One word. I'll do whatever you want for the rest of the weekend. Please just say the fucking word.
Biruin mo, 3 years na yan. Eh di, wala na.
Stop agreeing with me. Do you not want whatever
Mag
you want
3 years na pala
for the
yan.
rest of the weekend? I won't even ask you no more questions if you don't want me to ask you no more questions. I just want you to just give me one fucking word.
Kawawa naman si Charms.
Just be okay with.
Okay.
Hindi mo talaga alam ang buhay eh.
I want you to just tell me a word. Just one word.
Di mo talaga alam ang buhay ng tao. Bigla ka na lang magkasakit.
Okay? Whatever you want. Just don't
Siguro lahi sa kanilang may cancer. Lahi ba nila yan?
Please.
Okay.
You're really pissing me off right now. Because I just said one word and you're still saying okay.
Dati malakas. Oh, malakas pa siya dati yung